Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can read about safety precautions in the Condor Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Travel Information button. And then click on the Safety Precautions button. And as you can see, you can read about hygiene and protection in times of COVID, about protective measures during a flight and a travel. So if you're interested in this, you can read everything about health here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.